Are you a man who's looking to step up your skincare game? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to give you some tips and tricks to help you achieve healthy, clear skin. Tip 1. Cleanse daily. The first step in any good skincare routine is to cleanse your face daily. This helps to remove dirt, oil, and other impurities that can clog your pores and lead to breakouts. Choose a gentle cleanser that is specifically formulated for men's skin. Be sure to rinse your face thoroughly with warm water, and pat dry with a clean towel. Tip 2. Exfoliate weekly. Exfoliating once a week can help to remove dead skin cells and promote healthy skin renewal. Look for a product that contains alpha-hydroxy acids or beta-hydroxy acids, as these ingredients can help to unclog pores and prevent breakouts. Be sure to follow the instructions on the product, and avoid over-exfoliating, as this can damage your skin. Tip 3. Moisturize daily. Moisturizing your skin is important for keeping it hydrated and healthy. Look for a moisturizer that is specifically formulated for men's skin, and that contains ingredients like hyaluronic acid or glycerin, which can help to lock in moisture. Apply your moisturizer after cleansing or shaving, and be sure to use a product with SPF if you'll be spending time in the sun. Tip 4. Use sunscreen. Speaking of the sun, it's important to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. Look for a sunscreen with an SPF of at least 30, and apply it every day, even if it's cloudy outside. This can help to prevent premature aging and reduce your risk of skin cancer. Tip 5. Be gentle. Finally, it's important to be gentle with your skin. Avoid using harsh products or scrubbing your skin too hard, as this can cause irritation and damage. Stick to a simple, effective skincare routine that works for your skin type, and be patient. It may take a few weeks to see the full benefits of a new product. Conclusion. Well, there you have it, my top tips for men's skincare. Remember to cleanse daily, exfoliate weekly, moisturize daily, use sunscreen, and be gentle with your skin. With a little time and effort, you can achieve healthy, clear skin that looks and feels great.